Hi friends, happy Thursday. Mrs. Wilcox here. I hope you're having a great week so far. We have made it to the last Thursday of second grade, and that means that today is the last day that I'm giving lots of activities like math and healthy habit and art and things like that. Tomorrow will look quite a bit different, and I'm excited for us to have the last day of school tomorrow, okay? So we have one more day of lots of learning. I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we have today. All right, here I am on our Thursday page. I got to this page by clicking on the Thursday link from step number 1 on our home page. And you're going to choose those activities that you'd like to do. And our goal is to work for an hour to an hour and a half after you watch my video that will be here, okay? All right, our Zoom activity for today is going to be a scavenger hunt. There's also lots of other ways you can check in with me. And Flipgrid is another way that you can check in with me as well, okay? I would love to see you since it's our last week of school, friends. All right, here's a reading activity. You can read a picture book or a chapter book of your choice, and then I would like for you to make a list of the events that happened in the story, okay? Try to keep them in order, so the first event and then the last event down at the bottom. That would be great. Then you can show that list to a family member and kind of tell them a summary or what happened, retell the story, okay? All right, here's our Flipgrid activity. You can click here to go to Flipgrid, and then I would like for you to watch 2 classmates' videos, and then you are welcome to make your own video, and you can tell us what you liked about second grade, okay? I'm sure friends would love to hear what you liked about second grade and kind of some memories that maybe you have from this year, okay? All right, moving down, here is our math activity, our last video about measurement, and this video is kind of all about measuring length, and so this week we've been working on centimeters and meters, and this video talks about those, but it also talks about inches, feet, and yards, okay? So after you watch that video, think about when you will use measurement in the future, and then talk to a family member about when they do. Maybe you know someone who builds houses, and they probably need to use measurement to measure the boards and the nails and make sure that everything is the right length so that house will go together and stay together, okay? So interview someone and talk about when they use measurement in their life as an adult. All right, here's our healthy habit video, and this is the last day we're talking about exercise. Tomorrow you'll have some tasks to do your own exercise and some challenges, but we're learning a little bit more. So after you watch this video, go out and get some exercise with your family member, okay? See if you can think of a game like tag or hide and seek that all of your family can play together. I'm hoping it will be nice and sunny like it was yesterday, and we can all go outside and play and have some fun with our families. All right, here's our last activity, our last art activity, and this is to make paper puppets. So this video shows you the very basic way to make a puppet that has a mouth that opens so your fingers go in it, your fingers go on the top and your thumb goes in the bottom, and then you can make it open and talk. And then this video shows you, I think, about 5 or 6 creatures, but you're welcome to make your own creatures. So customize those puppets however you'd like, and maybe you'll even want to make more than one so that you could put on a puppet show at your house, or maybe so your family could all do it together, okay? All right, let's see. Then you're going to click here and go find some of those extra resources if you still have some time in your school day. All right, my friends, I hope you have a great Thursday. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. We'll do our awards for the year, and we'll just kind of be doing some extra fun activities for our last day of school tomorrow, okay? Well, have a great Thursday, and I will see you then, friends. Bye.